be any difference between incoming call commissions and outgoing referral business? In other words, I go to a mixer meeting, like BNI type thing. I get a referral, and I bring the business in. Versus people are calling because they need help, and we need some salesperson to chase that down. Is there any difference in that?
Well, here's what I like to say. I think that what you should do is whoever is selling the most for the month gets the incoming lead. Because what a lot of companies do is they just do like a round robin. Well, here's an incoming lead. We're going to give it to Tim. Next one, we're going to give it to Brad. Next one, we're going to give it to Sarah. But that should be an incentive because those are easy. If somebody calls your office and raises their hand to you and says, I need your help. I have a leak. I need it fixed. That is a slam dunk. The person who is going out there and creating the most leads for themselves should be thrown that bone. Then that's also going to drive the other guys to go out there and show up more because they want to get easy leads too. But we're not just going to hand them to them.
Right.
So the commission can stay the same. Let's keep the commission the same. The reward is if you're out there creating the most leads for yourself, I'm going to throw you this bone. And if you guys want bones thrown your way, you need to get up and go out and create leads yourself. And when I see you do that, then I'll throw you a bone too. In Cutco, every now and again, somebody would call and they'd say, hey, my brother has a set of knives. This didn't happen very often, but if people would call in and say, my brother has a set of those knives. I really want to get one for my wife for Christmas. Who can you send it? And it was always the number 1 or 2 salesperson in the office that got to run that lead. Because 1, we knew that they could close them. And 2, they earned it. They earned that easy one.
So do you have a sales pitch for these guys so they can pick up the... I have a question. So if we bought these 2 systems, the recruiting machine and the new hires thing,
yeah.
You had this